Alright guys, if you try to fix your MacBook Pro's USB ports through resetting the SMC and you didn't succeed, maybe it's something with the hardware. But don't be scared, because we are going to do this thing of fixing the hardware USB ports without replacing the chip and without spending a single buck. Alright, first of all, I say this because I just done this through one port USB. We have the other to fix. Indeed, I can show you that I get the first USB working. You can see if I switch USB, I get no cursor, so the mouse is not working on the second USB. So we're going to try to fix even the second. This procedure doesn't even require anything but your soldering iron. Right, we turn off the computer, we flip it, and we open. Alright, this is the first soldering I made here. Here's the first USB here. These are the pins of the connection of the USB that goes to the motherboard. And here we have in the middle the pins that goes through this IC and then pass through a missing component, and here I made some jumpers. We have the same thing, with same issue here below in correspondence of the second USB port, the same exact missing component here. So what we have to do is we have to join the first to the second and the third to the fourth here. All right, straight from up to down, all right. Well, so how to solder so small points on a computer's board? So first of all, the missing component we have to join is here, right here, and we gotta peel a piece of copper wire, then we twist some piece of very small wire to the resistance of our soldering iron, and then let's get started. So this is a very critical repair. So I think this is a problem with so continuous movements the computer is subject to. Okay, the first joint is made. Then we have to cut out this thing by swinging it down, up and down this way. Okay, perfect. Right, and we have to make the second joint. So even the second joint is made. Okay. Alright, we can now try to boot the computer and see if the repair has succeeded. Alright, now I'm booting a computer, as you can see, and even in the second USB port it is working. Let's try. Oh yeah guys, this is fantastic. I had this computer with the USB missing for something like 6 months, and it was very frustrating. And I tried everything from software, reset of the SMC didn't succeed, and it was a 12 minutes long thing. Thank you for watching guys. To the next video.